Hi, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm the lead developer for VTube-LASER software that measures tubing like this one using measuring centers in order to correct tube bending machines. Well, what I'm going to show you in today's video is how to measure not only the whole part, but how to measure just, let's say, a single bend. And so I'm going to show you how to use assembly to do that really quickly. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I'm going to go to Measure Process, and I'm going to measure the entire tube. Okay, now what if I just want to measure this bend here, for example? This is what I do. I have set up in assembly 3 different parts. I've got the entire part for part number 1, called the main part, and then I have what's called bend 1 for that bend. When we select the UI square here, it actually changes the entire setup for this part. So let's go ahead and measure process again. And this time you can see in the guide box that it says just measure the first straight. We're going to skip the end, and then we're going to measure this straight, and we're going to skip the end again because we don't need the end. All we need is the bend angle. So you can see right away the bend angle, it's already in the DRO. You can go ahead and finish and build, and if you want you can align it. Now let's go to the other end and do the same thing. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to display just the second part of this tube, and I'm going to measure again. So we're going to start with this straight without any end. And we're finished. It's that simple. Now the reason I'm showing you this is because there are times when you might want to measure just a bend when it's still in the bender, especially in a large part like this. So you could take the measuring center over to the bender, and you could, using this mode, you could actually measure this bend angle to get just to the bend angle in order to correct it before you pull it out of the bender. Of course, then you would reclamp and you would apply the extra correction and then continue on bending. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to email me at support@advancedtubular.com. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.